Hello, welcome to the tutorial video on how to use Canvas. When you access Canvas, you land on the dashboard, where you find the IMA Regional Workshop container. Click on it and land in the home page, which is a welcoming page with some basic instruction. For example, a link to the privacy policy consent that we kindly ask you to fill in before moving on with the rest of the workshop. In the home page, you find also explanation on the workshop structure and some shortcuts to the various sections. These sections are called modules in Canvas. You can access them from here by clicking on Modules. Modules present the agenda of the workshop. A first module will be visible immediately the first time you access Canvas. It includes pages with background information, downloadable material, and video tutorial. You can click directly on one page to read the contents and watch presentations or tutorial videos. To view other pages, you can go back to modules, or you can simply navigate from one page to the other one with the buttons that you find at the bottom of the page. Together with the pre-workshop module, you will find a help sections about Canvas, Zoom, and C-Sketch. Later on, the day before the beginning of the workshop, new modules will be opened. Each new module corresponds to a day of the workshop. In each daily module, there will be a daily summary program and the daily content, where you find links to the Zoom meetings, working material, and information on the live sessions of that particular day. Announcements. These are used by the task force members to communicate any kind of information that may be important to workshop participants. In order to keep you updated with the new announcement, we suggest to change the notification settings in your account in order to receive an email whenever a new announcement is made. The same should be done also for the discussion forums. We will open discussion forums on specific topics to which you can participate by commenting and asking questions. You are allowed also to open a new discussion forum according to topics you may wish to comment with the other participants or discuss with the task force members when you are not on the Zoom live meetings. Remind to adjust notification settings in your account to receive always an email when there are some updates. Clicking on the menu item People, you will see the whole list of the enrolled participants. As Canvas is standardized for educational purposes, in our case, task force members have a teacher role. See the word teacher besides their names, while participants have a student role. To contact each one personally, you can click on Inbox, which is a normal mailbox. Open a new message and send it to the person you wish just by looking at the drop-down menus. In the calendar section, you have a calendar view where You can add your own personal events, or you can find the events created by the task force members. In summary, this is all. The tutorial has covered the main aspects of Canvas. If you need more assistance, please contact Elena Politi. Thank you for your attention.